Hi friends, in this video I made these amazing art sliders with option to add your own custom messages. This is a perfect gifting idea for this Valentine's Day or any other special occasions. For a still file of this project you can check out the description box below. Make sure to use the following settings. None of the parts require supports, but make sure to use adhesion. I will be using PLA filaments to print the parts. You can use color of your own choice. It won't take much longer to get all the 3D printed parts. To print the frame, I will be using red, black and wooden filaments. You can use color of your own choice. Part 2 will be slider. As I said earlier, you can use color of your own choice. I would recommend printing this heart in red PLA filament. Once we have all the parts 3D printed, it won't take any longer to get all this assembled. Add a drop of super glue to attach broken piece of heart to the frame. Just follow these simple steps to get all the assembly work done. You can add your custom message in this tiny sheet of paper. You can repeat same steps for other units as well. Finally, our heart sliders are ready. You can start gifting this to put smile on other people's faces. Anyway, spreading happiness is free. Hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you for watching. Any other questions? Drop it on the comments.